for first reaction, we've got this sodium chloride solution. And it's a saturated solution, meaning we've dissolved as much sodium chloride as possible, which is why you can see there's a whole bunch of sodium chloride just sitting in the bottom of the container. So I'm going to take that sodium chloride, I'm going to add it to this test tube. Just a little more for good measure. It says 3 milliliters, that looks like, we'll call that 3 milliliters. So right now, it's just salt water. And then I've got 12 molar hydrochloric acid. I'm going to add that to it. And when I add it, something just happened. Making something. It's slowly sinking to the bottom of the container. Because what I added was HCl, which has a whole bunch of hydrogens and a whole bunch of chlorides. When I added a whole bunch of chlorides, it takes that reaction you got right there, and it causes the reverse reaction to start happening a lot more quickly. Potassium chromate, part 2, which is this yellowish liquid. And then I've got some nitric acid. I'm gonna add the nitric acid to it. No orange color. HNO3. And then I have some sodium hydroxide right here that I can add to it. And if you add sodium hydroxide, it will remove the nitric acid from solution. It will neutralize the nitric acid as I add the sodium hydroxide. You should see it's starting to go back to that yellowish color. I have a mixture of water with ammonia, NH3, and some phenolphthalein, and phenolphthalein will turn pink in the presence of base, of hydroxides. And so as you can see, this reversible reaction between NH3 and water has made some NH4 pluses and some hydroxides because it's pink. I'm then going to get some ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. I'm just going to add it to this. And add just a little bit more. Now that pink color is all but gone. I have 4 different test tubes here. They contain this mixture. They all 4 contain this mixture of iron 3 chloride and potassium thiocyanate, which when you mix these 2 things together, you get this color. Just kind of a dark orangish color. This first one, I'm going to leave the same. I'm not going to do anything to it. It says it remains untouched, but I just touched it. Oops. To the second one, add some iron 3 chloride. So add some iron 3 chloride. You can see what happened there. To the third test tube, I'm going to add some potassium thiocyanate. Let's see what happened there. Looks like it did basically the same thing. And last but not least, I'm going to add some silver nitrate to this one. And the silver nitrate will cause the thiocyanate to precipitate out of solution. And so now, it's a little bit cloudy, maybe a hint of yellowish to it.